Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokenary Scar H. So ignore my dangling battery. So this one is a DMR build that's going overseas, and it's got a Gate Titan Advanced inside it, Warhead motor, Prometheus cylinder, bushings, tappet plate, gears, piston head, piston, air nozzle, spring guide. We've got the black Prometheus Sigma trigger here, and Prometheus purple hop rubber combined with an R-hop setup and a 300mm barrel, and the Eagle 6 M140 spring, which is the biggest one we do. We were getting 475 FPS on 0.2s and 306 on 4.3s, and we tested it at range and it was shooting nicely. So obviously fully spec'd and loaded build, if you know what I mean, and I'm just going to demonstrate it working. Find the mag. Yeah, taking the paint off. Yeah, so it's definitely doing some, it's definitely going well in terms of FPS. Obviously trigger response is great, and obviously this is CQB, and that's obviously why, you know, we don't use DMRs obviously in this sort of close quarters, because this is below the minimum engagement range, but you can see it there how it's taking paint off there. So yeah, it's pretty strong, which is a really good example about obviously how well this is shooting. So yeah, in terms of obviously build, obviously we've already discussed that. Am I still zoomed in? Yes, I am. Crazy. There we go. So yeah, obviously it's going a long way, so hopefully the build spec, which we'll put in the description of the video, is good for you, and like I say, it's really hard for us to demonstrate range testing because we have to go outside for that, but yeah, it's yeah, all good and shooting well, and any problems let us know, but hopefully the build's all good for you. Thank you.